Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Yaki South Tylli kot balatho the way niki mukter bapau ke jela USP Mahanta la palai Paidbah ha ke jelang ke belalong ha ke arpo tarik menta unai lor ha city hat dhaba Shillong da unong bishar bah kledo ke Meghalaya High Court Udinesh Maheshwari kini ki South Tylli kot ke bala palai Paidbah ha ke negasni ki kan top ya ke way ke bala ai kerteng ke Meghalaya Acts and Rules nangta the Meghalaya Fundamental Rules and Subsidiary Rules Stamp Act in Meghalaya but ke Meghalaya Land and Revenue Regulations Kibarawan sakilang hakani kasngi ki kantop yu way ni kinong bishar ke Meghalaya High Court uba GS Masar ubalong ru President jeng ke Meghalaya High Court Bar Association bat ki way de kiri pokmat bat ki muktiar ke jela.
Though we have a well-defined judicial system operating over the state of Meghalaya, somehow in the progression of, first of all in the formation of the state of Meghalaya itself, from out of the larger state of Assam, then an autonomous state, and then the full-fledged state, and thereafter progression of judiciary, coming up of High Court. It has taken a bit of extra time, I would say. Maybe it would have happened a bit earlier, but maybe that all is history now. We are here and we have to look forward only. Putting the things in order and then taking stock of everything, knowing as to what is available with us and then using it. For that purpose, knowing and then using it, we need to know everything which is available. Now the things which have been assimilated over here, I found after coming here in Meghalaya that we were very many times we were looking at the bits and pieces here or there for the purpose of even framing our own thought processes also to find as to exactly where the law relating to this particular problem which is applicable to the state of Meghalaya is available in the present shape.